Good afternoon, dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
We are a little bit late, so join quickly. Shall we start the class? In the last class, we have discussed about the conservation of natural vegetation and wildlife, right? Do you remember all the points what we discussed? Yes or no? Respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Dear children,
Ma'am.
did you remember all the points what we discussed and the heading conservation of natural vegetation and wildlife?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, good. Then, what are the main reason for extinction of animals and plants? Some
Ma'am.
natural factors, natural and human factors are leading to the destruction of or extinction of animals and plants, right? What are they?
Changes of climate.
Changes in the climate. Okay, good. Inza.
Deforestation.
Isha. Yes, deforestation,
Construction activities.
construction activities,
Tsunami.
Landslides.
tsunami,
Landslides.
landslides,
Pets.
sorry,
Poaching of animals.
poaching of animals,
Ma'am, forest fire.
soil
Forest
erosion,
fire.
forest fire. These are some of the factors leading to extinction of animals, right? Yes. The next is, how can we conserve our natural vegetation and wildlife? Government has taken some steps for the conservation of natural vegetation and wildlife, right? What are they?
National parks.
Yes, national parks, establishment of national parks, same in a complete sentence, right? Establishment of national parks. Our government has introduced national parks, like that you can say.
Establishment of wildlife sanctuaries.
Yes,
Ma'am, biosphere reserves.
biosphere reserves. Okay, then second point. Who will give the
Ma'am,
second point?
Creating awareness.
Create awareness about the importance and conservation of plants and animals. Very good. Third point. Who will give the third point?
They made laws.
They made laws.
Yeah, government has passed many laws against killing, poaching, and
Poaching.
trade of animals and
Trading
plants. Very good.
animals.
Then fourth point.
International
Fourth point.
agreements.
International.
An international agreement. What it is? CITES. What is CITES? What is the full form of CITES?
The
Convention on International Trade on Endangered Species.
Right? Very good. What is the aim of this convention or agreement between the government?
Trade of
prohibit
animal
trade of
and plants
endangered
does not
species.
provide survival.
Does not threaten the survival. Very good. Thank you, dear. Let me ask some questions.
Yes, ma'am.
First, I'll give you, I think today we can revise all the points which come under this lesson. We have completed the second chapter, land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. I think today we can revise all the important points come under this heading, land, water, soil, natural vegetation and wildlife resources, right? Then next day, you should be thorough with the lesson. Next day, I'll be asking some questions to all of you. So clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I have sent notes. Did you get notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you copied down notes in your paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You should study it. Okay, you should study
Okay,
it
ma'am.
properly and file it. When school reopens, you have to submit all the notes. Okay. Then, in this lesson, land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resource, we have discussed all important natural resources, right? Among them, first one is land.
Land.
Then under the heading land, we discussed land. Okay.
Land is an important natural resource.
Yes, I will call you. Better I'll call you one by one and you can explain what you know about this particular land resource. Okay. Don't bother about whether your answer is right or wrong. You can share with me. Okay. Lakshmi Nandakumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain land, natural resource, as an important natural resource?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Explain.
Land is the most important resource of all.
Yes. Yes.
Distribution of population depends upon land,
Yes.
and land is used for agriculture,
Distribution
constructing.
of population depends on land, right? Then how can you say distribution of population depends on land and climate? Any examples can you say? Distribution of land, or that means where we live, or how do we select a place to live? It depends upon climate and land, right? It depends on climate and land. Then how can you explain this with an example?
Ma'am,
Where we live,
mountain areas.
it depends on the characteristics of
The
land and
Land.
climate, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, mountain
Next sentence
areas
is an
are
example, right?
thinly populated.
Yes, mountains are thinly populated. Mountains,
it has-
deserts, and
Because it
forest
has
areas are
steep slope.
thinly populated. River plains are thickly populated, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Why do we say like this? Because
Mountains have steep slope.
mountains, forest, and desert areas, because of the
harsh
harsh
climate.
climate, these
Harsh
places are
climate.
not suitable for permanent human
Agriculture.
settlement. Human settlement is there, but thinly populated, right? Less population. Is it clear, Lakshmi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then river plains are thickly populated. Plain areas are thickly populated because people choose this plain land for living. It's for comfortable living. Human habitation is possible in plain land, right? Because construction work, for agriculture, farming, everything is possible in plain land. So people choose to live in plain land.
In plant.
That's why plains are thickly populated.
Populated.
This example we can relate with the sentence. Distribution of population depends upon the characteristics of land and climate.
Climate.
If the land and climate is suitable, we will select that place, right? If the land and climate is not suitable, will you select the place for living?
No.
No, never. Right? Yes. Continue.
No.
Continue.
Land is divided on the basis of ownership.
Yes, before that, one more point is a land use. What is land use?
Using land for agriculture, construction
Yes,
of
using land
buildings.
for agriculture, construction, mining, setting up of industries, right, etc. Right? This is called land use. Use of land for different purpose is called land use.
Land
Clear?
use.
Very good. Okay, then.
Land is divided on the basis of ownership.
Yes.
Private land and community land.
Private land and community land. Very good.
Private land is owned by an individual and
Private land owned by individual, community land by the community, or a
community
group of
land is
people for common use. Okay, good.
community land is also called common property resources.
Yes, community land is also known as common property resources. Very good. Then,
Landslide.
yes.
Landslide is a mass movement of rocks.
Okay, before that we learn one more thing. How can we conserve land? In this lesson, we are learning about some natural resources and problems. What are problems that particular resource are facing and how can we conserve it? Right? In this lesson, we are learning natural resource like land, water, soil. Then some threats are there. Right? Then what are they? And how can we conserve? These are the main points come under this, come in this lesson. Okay. The next we discussed, I'll ask to another one. Amaljit. Amal, can you explain how can we conserve our land resource? Only few points are there. Land is facing many problems, right? With the help of two pictures, we have explained what had changes happened over the time, right? In land use.
Soil erosion.
Yes, right? Okay. Then how can we conserve our land?
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait, let him finish. Amal,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, continue. How can we
So,
conserve our land?
by planting
Yes, by planting more trees.
Trees.
What is the word for the planting more trees? In geography?
afforestation,
Afforestation. Very good. Then,
Uh,
who will help Amal?
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, don't use fertilizers and
Yes.
pesticides.
Reduce the use of, Amal, listen it. I'll come to you after this. Reduce the use of pesticides,
Pesticides
chemical
and
pesticides and fertilizers, afforestation. When?
checks on overgrazing.
Yeah, overgrazing, reduce overgrazing by animals, right? Why we have to check overgrazing by animals? Because
Because
the soil, the grasses are like a blanket, right? Covering the soil, right?
yes,
When we remove the grasses from soil, what will happen?
the blanket will.
What will happen? Soil will expose to air and water, right?
Yes.
This led to soil erosion. It's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
So, check overgrazing by animals. Then, land reclamation. What is land reclamation? You have learned this lesson, right? Land reclamation, wasteland. Many wastelands are there. We can use these wastelands for agriculture purpose, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Don't shake your, don't nod your head. Yes, gone, yes or no, my dear children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then these are some of the methods for the conservation of land. Amaljit, you got afforestation, reduce the use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers in land, check overgrazing by animals, land reclamation. These are some of the common methods used to conserve land resource. Is it clear? Can you explain,
Yes, ma'am.
Amaljit?
yes, ma'am.
Explain.
By afforestation,
Yes.
to prevent the overgrazing of animals,
Yes. Overgrazing by animals.
prevent chemical pesticides and fertilizers.
Yes, we cannot prevent it. We can reduce the use because all are using pesticides in agriculture land for getting more crops, right? Then we can reduce the use of,
Land regulation.
land reclamation. Very good. Very good, Amaljit. Okay. Then next we learned landslide.
Heights.
Abid, can you explain what is landslide? Abid, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Tell me, what is landslide?
Uh,
Where are you looking, dear? Landslide. What is landslide? I'll come to you. Adleo, can you explain what is landslide? Adleo. Adleo.
Landslide is a mass movement of rocks.
Yes, very good. Land mass movement of rock. Abid, you got the answer? Landslide is a mass movement of rock. Right? It is defined as the mass movement of rock. Is it clear?
Yes.
Abid, can you explain? Can you define landslide?
mass movement of rock.
Mass movement of rock. Very good. Then, this landslide is a natural disaster, right? It's
Yes,
a natural
ma'am.
disaster.
Yes.
We cannot
It is.
avoid it. Sometimes it will happen, but we can control the severity of landslides. Then some methods are given in your textbook how to
Yes.
reduce the severity. That is mitigation mechanism. Mitigation means
Yes.
we can reduce the severity of landslides.
Landslides.
Actually, when landslide happen, it's block roads, rivers,
Rivers.
right? It destruct all
Down.
building settlements, right?
Yes.
Then many
It
people.
will block the river from
Yes,
flowing.
yes. Yeah, this happened in our country, you know, in our place, in our state. We all know it, that many people were buried alive under the mud. Many people were trapped, they lost their property, life, everything, right? So
Yes.
we can control the severity of landslide. How can we control the severity of landslide? Some methods, some measures are given there in your textbook.
Hazard mapping.
Ma'am, hazard
Hazard
mapping.
I
mapping.
will ask, I will ask dear Isha.
Yes, ma'am.
Mitigation mechanism, Isha.
Yes, ma'am. Hazard mapping.
Hazard mapping.
To locate lands prone to landslides
Yes,
and
to locate
avoid
areas prone to landslides. Very good.
building settlements in
Yes,
that.
then we can avoid building settlement in this particular places, right? Okay, good. Then second one, explain, continue, Isha.
Construction of retention walls to
Yes.
avoid slipping of land,
Yes,
vegetation so that the roots can bind the soil and
Yes.
prevent soil erosion,
yes, yes,
control the flow of river and drainage.
yes. Very good. Thank you. Then next one is soil. I mean, define soil. Lynette, I'll ask you every day. You are answering all questions, right? That's why I'm not calling your name. Don't feel bad, okay? Soil. I mean, sit up straight, I mean. Man is taking rest.
The thin layer of the earth is soil.
Sorry?
The thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is
Thin
called
layer
soil.
of grainy substances covering the surface of the earth is called soil. Very good. Then, next we learned about the structure of soil, right? Do you remember first structure of soil?
Yes, ma'am.
Albert, listen. Albert. Can you explain structure of soil?
Ma'am.
Yes, I'm here. Structure of soil.
Parent rock.
Yes.
Relief. Climate. Time.
Parent rock is it. Where is your textbook there?
Ma'am, it is in my bag.
Oh, you kept it safely in your bag. Can you take it out for this period?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
No, go and take care. Very good child. He kept safely in his bag. Very good. Okay. Navaneet, structure of
Yes,
soil.
ma'am. Ma'am, topsoil with humus and vegetation.
Yes.
Subsoil with sand, slate, and clay.
Yes.
Weathered rock material. Third one. Then last one, parent rock.
Parent rocks. Okay, good. Thank you. Then next we
Degradation.
discussed, yes,
Degradation
land-
of soil.
yes. Next we discussed factors of soil formation. I know, I hope all of you know it. The next important topic in this,
Degradation and conservation.
degradation, conservation. What is degradation? Degradation means quality and quantity of
And
soil
quantity of
declining due to improper use and poor
use and-
management, right? So we
Yes.
have to conserve the soil. And what are the factors leading to degradation of soil?
Human
factors
factors
are
and natural.
Some factors are leading to degradation of soil. What are they? Human and natural factors.
Deforestation.
Yes.
Deforestation.
Deforestation, overgrazing, overuse of
Overgrazing.
pesticides and fertilizers,
Heavy rain.
Overuse of
rainwash,
fertilizer,
Heavy
rainwash, flood,
rainwash,
etc.
landslides, flood.
Yep. Then, next, Anashwara. Anashwara, can you explain how can we conserve? Some conservation methods are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Soil, right? What are they? I think
Mulching.
7 methods are
Mulching.
there, right? Mulching, very good.
Condor barriers.
Contour barrier,
rock dams,
rock dams,
terrace farming,
terrace farming,
intercropping,
intercropping,
contour flowing,
contour plowing,
shelter belts,
shelter belts. Okay, very good. Then you should know the explanation of all these points. I have given a simple explanation. I think you have written this in your lecture note. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
yes,
Then you can study that. Otherwise, you can study from your textbook. Which one is easy for you? You can choose. Okay. Then, next we learn water. Water is a renewable natural resource, right?
Yes.
Then we learn what make water shortage, or what are the important reasons for water shortage. Tom Jones,
Our
what are the important reasons for shortage of water? Only two reasons. Many reasons are there. Only two reasons we explain, right? Yes.
ma'am,
Yes.
can
Tom?
I say?
Tom? Where is Tom?
Can I say?
Tom Jones? Not there.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
Ma'am, the first reason is overexplosion. Second is-
Overexploitation.
Exploitation.
Yes.
Second one is contamination of water.
Contamination of water. Okay. Benedict, what makes
Yes, ma'am.
water pollution? What causes water pollution? The correct question. What causes water pollution?
Water pollution is caused by the waste materials and the chemicals
Yes,
released
yes.
into the rivers from the factories.
Yes. Then
Then
I have given some points. Do you remember?
Yes.
I have given some points. Do you remember?
yes, ma'am.
What are they?
Pollution from factories.
Yes.
Then leakage of oil
Yes.
reserves.
What we say?
Then
Oil spill.
oil spills.
Yes.
Then
Pollution from garbage.
Who will help Benedict?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, I will.
ma'am,
Yes,
pollution.
Who are one more sound time? Listen. Who's that? Navani. Navani, then Lynette. Okay. I'll give you. Okay. First few points explained. Lynette, you explain first few points. After that, I'll
Ma'am,
give chance to Navani.
First one is pollution from industrial.
Yes.
Second one is pollution from households.
Yes.
Third one is pollution from garbage.
Okay, dear. Thank you. Navani, explain the remaining points.
Ma'am, pollution from oil spills,
Yes.
pollution from fossil fuel, then chemical fertilizers and pesticides.
Very good. Very good. Both of you good. Benedict, you got the answer? Benedict, you got? You're not audible to me. Nivedya, what are the conservation methods? What are conservation methods? 3 or 4 methods are there, right?
Yes.
What are they?
First,
Afforestation,
Tom, where were you? I called you 2-3 times. Yes,
Ma'am.
Nivedya, continue.
afforestation, rainwater harvesting,
Yes.
lining canals to minimize water loss by
Yes.
seepage, sprinklers, drip irrigation.
Use sprinkler irrigation and drip irrigation in agricultural land, right? These are the few methods for the conservation of water resources. I hope this chapter is clear to all of you, right?
ma'am, one more topic is there.
Yes, yes, yes. I think this is the time to wind up the class. Okay. Okay, dear. Thank you for your quick response, active response. I hope all of you learn this question answer. I feel very happy to hear this, right? Okay, thank you for your cooperation. Thank you, dear children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.